Do you want to modify your vehicle? Sure, we all do. So call this number and find out how easy it is to have your vehicle modified. At 4 Wheel Parts, more than 100,000 men and women have had their vehicles modified without ever turning their wrench. And now, in your spare time, you can have your vehicle modified. Choose from any of these following products: lift kits, level kits, shocks, wheels, tires, bumpers, roof racks, tonneau covers, winches, towing, air suspension, air horns, brakes, steering, or choose a full custom upgrade. You can choose from rock crawling, overlanding, or show vehicle. Make this important call right now.
Call now for more information GJ spoke about. Then decide on what package you want. Call 805-754-2516. There is no obligation. Call 805-754-2516. Call now.